You'll have love at first sight with the 2017 BMW X6. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Defy convention in breathtaking luxury in the X6, the high-performance sports activity coupe that knows no boundaries. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Thundering power meets superior refinement and versatility in the X6. Drive it today.